Hello everybody, how are you doing? So, I have installed recently Windows 10 and a new hard drive, but apparently in my computer it doesn't show up. To fix this, you have to go to Disk Management, and here you will see Device Manager. Yeah, my bad. So I said Disk Management. Here we go. So in here you can see that the hard drive exists. The blue one is the one that you can see the partition where I have the Windows installed. Everything is okay. But also the other hard drive, which is split in two partitions, but it's like unallocated space. So to solve it, right click on that partition and new simple volume. Just click next until you finish and everything should be okay. So if you have only one partition, that's all you have to do. Since I have two, I have to do the same for the other one. You saw the window opening, it's already visible. So new simple volume and next until it's finished. Simple as that. So now if we wait, there you go, the second one. If we check now in my computer, you can see the other hard drive, the other two partitions appeared. Everything is alright. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and maybe even subscribe. Who knows? Thanks for watching. Bye.